Hi there, I'm Agent 4'8". The reason that I'm 4'8" is because I wear this overcoat in Arizona in July. I used to be 6'3", but I've shrunk. So I want to show you, woman of mystery, why puppy love is so good for pet owners. First of all, it's waterproof. So if you urinate on the carpet, it won't go through to the pad. Also, if your dog urinates on the carpet, it won't go through to the pad. The other really cool thing about this that I found out was it doesn't pull up. You can pull the fibers all you want. Your dog can pull the fibers all you want. And those fibers won't come out no matter how much they pull. So come to Carpets of Arizona and discover for yourself why puppy love is the most awesomest carpet for dog owners. I'm Geraldine, and you'll love puppy love. And if you don't,